So here's a continuation of the earring project from Found Objects of Metal. I have the disc that I cut from the original cat food cans that were cut apart, and back there is the disc cutter that I used in the first video. Now I've taken these and I've cleaned them up. I've cleaned up the edges and I've washed off the metal, and this disc can go here into the block, and then the die goes on top of it, and it can be hammered with a brass hammer so that the flat piece of metal takes the rounded shape. This is one that I've already done, and you can see it's more of a domed shape. This is the 1 inch, which is the largest one that I can cut with a die. Others I cut by hand. And here are some dome pieces that I put together. I used both colors of cans and 2 different sizes, and I riveted together. So this earring is nearly finished, and this one is being held together with a little hemostat that I use as a vise. It still needs its rivet, and it needs to be punched for the ear wire. This set of earrings also uses 3 pieces, all 3 different sizes and 2 different colors. And again, it's riveted together, and I've punched some extra holes in it just for the decorative effect. This one is riveted together, and so is this one. This one needs to be punched, and they both need the ear wires. These discs, rather than doming them, I put them through this tube wringer. I can't operate it with one hand, but it bends the metal with these like accordion folds. So if I show you the edge of it, you can see how it's bent. And again, it gives the metal texture. The blue flowers are from another can, and it's just, adding some interest to it. So just another design. This is put together with some jump rings and eyelets. And the eyelets I use are these wee tiny things. 150 of them come in this little packet, and they're almost all there. And they're set with an eyelet setter. I use this eyelet setter with a very small ball peen hammer. It just doesn't need as much power as it does to use the dapping block and the die. I punch holes with this Euro punch. It makes a 1/16 of an inch hole, a round hole. It comes with other blades for different shapes and sizes of holes. And I guess that's it. So these earrings just need to be finished, and then I coat them with an acrylic to give a smoother finish to everything, to hold these pieces together better. They're very delicate pieces of metal. And I'll do the 3rd video showing you some of the different designs I've done with a variety of cans.